When did you get back from Beijing? I gotta know. Ooh, Molly, are you stuck in nostalgia like me? I wanna know. Darling, am I done? Feel like I've been holding on too long. Ooh, Molly, are you stuck in nostalgia like me?
Double.
Miss your cherry kisses.
Oh, Jordan.
Are you stuck in nostalgia like me?
I'm looking pretty good, I'm not gonna lie.
Molly, I'm always with you in my head. Come back again. Ooh, Molly, if you're stuck in nostalgia.
Nice. Jordan. Again, though, I don't know. I mean, he hit it right as I casted it, so I don't think it was anything to do with me. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Find a hole and let it sink in. Not a bad one.
Yeah, it's pretty good. 1.5, maybe 2.
For this time of year and the weather we're in, I'll be happy with anything. What's that? Oh, ho, ho.
Is it a big bass?
Yes, it is. That is a nice bass. Ho, ho.
Maybe this isn't such a bad idea.
It doesn't spit this frickin' rocks out. Jordan.
Pretty good sized fish there.
Alright. Maybe we should hang here for a minute.
Yeah, it's something.
big. I'll take it. Oh my God. He scared the shit out of me. Oh, it's a pike. Oh my God. Shit. Dude, he hit right at my kayak, right underneath my boat. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I gotta watch my mouth.